It's an exciting day here on Florida's Adventure Coast as we are celebrating National Mermaid Day and preparing to unveil 10 more of these beautiful life-size mermaid statues, which we will add to the Mermaid Tale Trail. The trail spans all of Hernando County, and we invite you to travel around, enjoy the public art, and see all of the beautiful mermaids.
I am so excited to be here today at the unveiling of 10 new statues that are going all around Hernando County. It is so special to be the face of the mermaid. I've said it before, I could say it a million times. I'm just honored to be a part of this historic event, and thankful and excited to see more statues coming out.
We are so excited to be hosting the second annual unveiling of the Mermaid Tale Trail. What a better place than to have it here at Weeki Wachee Springs with our world famous Weeki Wachee mermaids.
Yeah, so I was able to partake in the Mermaid Tale Trail. So I created my mermaid here, Evalie. She's inspired by the Florida Springs. So I painted a bunch of local flora and fauna all over her rock. She has a sign on the back that has some basics on how people can help protect the springs. Really easy things people can do in their daily lives to help our springs stay clear, blue, and beautiful, just like Evalie.
Being a part of the Mermaid Tale Trail has been an awesome experience. Been out there developing our own creations that will be around the county, and everybody can come and see how vast the county is and all the local businesses. So this has been a great experience and a large experience, to tell the least, okay?
Hi, I'm thrilled to be a part of the second round of mermaids here in the Mermaid Trail in Hernando County.
And we're thrilled that Lynn was able to do our beautiful statue for Family Chiropractic in Mike Krasinski's office.
Hi, I'm Mackenzie Montecalvo, and I'm so excited to be able to be a part of the Mermaid Tale Trail again with my mermaid Althea. I can't wait to see her put in her permanent home. Please come and check her out on the Tail Trail and take some pictures with her.
Yes, I just wanted to be part of this program. It's amazing what they're doing here in Hernando County. I like to beautify a little bit different areas with my artwork, and this time with this beautiful statue. I'm glad I'm part of it.
Hi, I'm Jeff Selker. I painted this mermaid for the Mermaid Tale Trail 2, and I'm so thrilled to be part of this. This is awesome. I am an airbrush artist, and this is something very similar to what I do, except I usually paint murals on motorcycles and vans and cars. So I was really looking forward to doing this.
I'm very excited to be part of the Mermaid Tale Trail with the new mermaids for this year. It was an honor to be picked, and I'm just ecstatic over it.